Hello guys, today we are gonna to replace the thermostat house gasket. Here's the thermostat gasket. Here's the new one, and we are gonna to replace it. This is the thermostat house. Here you see a bolt, and there you see a bolt. You're gonna to unbolt these bolts and open the thermostat house and see in the inside. But first you need to unscrew this tube, and then you got more space to unbolt this bolt. If you unscrewed this tube, you can unscrew this bolt right here. If you did that shit, it needs to look like this. I make the shit clean. Now you put the gasket on the thermostat house. I'm not gonna install mine because mine is broke, but if you got a good house you can install it, like just bolt it on like you deinstalled it. You just put the thermostat back in here and put the house on top of it and bolt it on. Yeah, that was my explanation for the thermostat gasket for a 350 Chevy.